Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 1:15 p.m.
Yeah, this is from my
At
area.
12:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fitchburg, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh, this is my area.
Source, radar indicated.
Dane County.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Fitchburg, Stoughton, Verona,
That's me.
Oregon, McFarland, Monona,
Verona, that's me.
Connersboro, Utica, Henry Vila Zoo, Camp Randall Stadium, and Madison. People attending Man Park should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following location: Wisconsin State Capitol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Verona. Yeah, it's in my area.
This is the No Weather Radio WXT.
Shelf cloud right around there.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There's another one. Hold on.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
I almost missed that
southeastern
one.
Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 1:15 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fitchburg, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicates hail damage
Well,
to
I
vehicles
almost
is expected.
did, but not quite.
Expect wind warning for southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 1:30 p.m. At 12:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Columbus, moving east at 15 miles an hour.
I turned it down.
Another one? Seriously?
In south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 1:45 p.m. At 12:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Mills, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Waterloo, Johnson Creek, Milford, Richwood, and Hubbleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 1:15 p.m. At 12:29 p.m.,
Here we go again.
the National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe southeastern Wisconsin until 2 p.m. At 1:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Watertown, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Juneau, Hustisford, Lebanon, Reedsville, Richwood, Clyman, and Lowell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:45 p.m. for northwestern.
Another one. This is for us. Fifth or sixth one. Yeah, this is for Verona. This is for us.
In south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 2:15 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brooklyn or near Evansville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stoughton, Evansville, Brooklyn, Fulton, and Cooksville. People attending the Stoughton Junior Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south.
Another one, like 7th or 6th one.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 2:15 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Atkinson, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Elmira, Rome, Hebron, Sullivan, Helenville, and National Weather Service Milwaukee-Sullivan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dodge County is canceled. The storm which... lows in the upper 50s. Southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3 p.m.
This is for us.
At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cambridge, 7 miles north of Edgerton, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
Yeah, this is for
Source,
us. Again,
radar indicated.
this is like the
Impact,
5th or 4th one that is
expect
for
damage
us.
to roofs, siding, and trees.
The 10th
Locations
alert.
impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Albion, Milford, Utica, Rockdale, and Boscoville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That one is for us.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunder.
Still rolling in. Comes the wind. One of them is finally striking us. That is about penny-size hail, about 30 to 40 miles an hour wind. You hear it on the roof. rain mixed with hail all around. Gusty winds. turtle. Oh, turtle. Flooding. Completely flooded. Ah. Oh well. That's all. Flood. Biggest flood right there. Trees down. So guys, I think the storm is about to end pretty soon. Like, I mean, the warning is about to expire. And the storm is about to end. The rain is getting lighter, so I think I'm going to have to end the video now. I think this was my first EAS compilation video, so EAS compilation #1 video. So, once again, I'm going to end the video here because the storms are about to end and the warning has expired. All of the warnings have. One of the severe warned storm is about to end. That just hit us. So, yeah, I'm about to end the video here, so I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you in the next video or community post or even short. Let's see, okay? Goodbye.